Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best product reviews to help you make the smartest purchases. Today, we're talking about the Litezone LED pool light bulb, a game changer for your in-ground pool. If you're looking to brighten up your pool with vibrant colors and improve your pool lighting experience, this is the best in-ground pool light bulb replacement you can find. The Litezone LED pool light bulb is designed to deliver superior lighting with its 40-watt power, making it a great energy-efficient option. It offers a wide variety of lighting modes, with 17 in total, including 7 static and 8 dynamic modes. Whether you want a relaxing fade-in, a fun color jump, or a smooth transition between colors, this pool light can do it all. You can also adjust the brightness and speed of these dynamic modes to match the atmosphere you desire. It's perfect for pool parties, relaxing spa sessions, or simply enhancing the look of your in-ground pool. This LED pool light provides outstanding luminous efficiency. With a remarkable 100 lumens per watt, it delivers the same brightness as traditional 300 to 600 watt bulbs, but it consumes a fraction of the energy. This means you'll save on electricity costs, which is great for your wallet and the environment. One of the standout features of this light is its upgraded remote control. Not only does it allow you to control the colors, brightness, and lighting modes, but it also extends the control range to an impressive 50 feet. The remote's new antenna ensures a stable connection, even underwater, allowing you to switch up the lighting from anywhere near the pool. Installation of the Litezone LED pool light is incredibly easy, thanks to its E26 medium base. You can replace your old pool light bulb in just a minute. Just twist off the old bulb and screw in the new one. For a perfect seal and to avoid any leakage, it's recommended to replace the gasket as well. In terms of durability, this pool light is built to last. With its premium LED beads, power supply, and housing, you can count on the Litezone LED pool light for many seasons of vibrant lighting. Plus, it comes with a 24-month warranty, so you have peace of mind knowing you're protected. The Litezone LED pool light is the perfect solution for those looking to enhance their pool's lighting without worrying about high energy bills or complicated installations. It's not only energy efficient but also packed with features that allow you to customize your pool's ambiance easily. Whether you're hosting a pool party or just relaxing by the water, this light will bring your pool to life. Thanks for watching this review, and don't forget to hit the like button if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.